Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big announcement which was made by TCS. So TCS Consultancy Services is expected to hire 40,000 freshers in fiscal year 2024, and this TechGid had reported on Monday, citing the Indian IT Services TCS Chief Human Resources Officer Milind Lakkad. Now, friend, TCS is hiring all kind of graduate like BE, BTech, then arts, science, and commerce graduate. And TCS is hiring in free and paid hiring. So basically, TCS has started both free and paid hiring, and the last date to apply is 20 of September. So I will give you the complete detail about this hiring. Before that, friends, if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that all the hirings or any kind of certification, each and every detail you will be getting through the notification. And also we put lot of effort in making the videos, so that will be our motivation if you subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Now, so friends, TCS is really going to hire 40,000 freshers? So the answer is yes. So you can see this particular hiring, TCS BPS hiring here. So inviting the graduate of 2024 to apply for TCS BPS fresher hiring. So this is basically, friends, for arts, science, and commerce graduate, and only the pass out year of 2024. And this is free hiring. That means when you go to apply, you do not have to pay any amount, right? So if you belong from arts, science, and commerce graduate, then please do apply before 20th September 2023, Wednesday. Today is already 16th of September. Now, friend, the second hiring which I will be talking here. So here also the last date to apply is 20th September 2023, and the test date is 2nd of October 2023, right? Okay, so please do apply before 20th September. But this is a paid hiring, so definitely here you will have to pay a amount, and then only you will be able to apply for this. I would like to tell you, friends, TCS paid hiring, because many of the students were telling, sir, should I apply for it or not? Friends, so this year TCS has told that they are going to hire 40,000 freshers, right? Because they are needing the employees. So when they need the employee, then definitely this kind of hirings will be happening. Otherwise, they will not simply take the money and they will be keep doing. The only thing is the percentage of the marks which you have to score in the paid hiring is 80% plus. Okay. Now, so friends, basically, if you do not want to get into coding, okay, like if you want to get like TCS only ninja role, then what you can do, you can buy this package TCS NQT Cognitive, which is for 599 rupees. Friends, they have displayed, these are the companies. See, actually what happens, so once you write the examination for the paid hiring, then you will be getting a score, and then you have to go to their platform, right? And whichever companies are there, you have, even you will be getting the mail, and you will be also able to check which all companies are hiring, and you can apply. Okay, even TCS will be hiring you from this, right? So if you see here, 1.6 lakhs plus job, 2700 plus corporates. So like TCS is also there, TVS Motor, Geo Platform, Asian Paints, and more. 23 plus industries like IT, BFSI, FMCG, STech, and more. So even so, for this paid hiring is available for every graduate, like any graduate, like arts, commerce, science, and your BE, BTech from 2018 to 2024. 20 plus IT roles, 150 plus non-IT roles, 19 LPA is the highest salary. So apply to TCS NQT and appear for the test. Get your TCS NQT score. Apply to multiple jobs on our website. Apply for jobs on other corporate website too. Get job basis your TCS NQT score and sustainability. Friends, as you know, the recession is now, you can say like it's almost getting over. So now companies will start hiring. So this TCS NQT score will be helpful. Okay. Okay. Over 1 lakh TCS NQT certified candidates are living their dream. Okay. So these are the companies, as I said, TCS NQT pre-final or final year student of any stream or degree. 2024, I will say, please don't apply for it, because anyway, 2024 free hiring will be happening. But you can say like the exact month is not known. Okay. So student passing between 18 to 24 who are looking for a job, Even working professional with up to 2 years of experience can apply. Okay, now, so a scorecard, validity will be 2 years, unlimited attempts, free online learning courses, and free practice set also will be there. Friends, one more advantage. So when you pay and when you write the test seriously, you will be able to get to know the pattern, and see all other company examination will be easier than TCS NQT, right? Okay, so I will suggest you go for this 599 if you do not want to go for TCS digital. Okay, so Ninja profile you will be getting by getting this. Okay, now, so get hired by these companies, you can view all, you will be able to apply for it if there is any job requirement. Right now it is there. Okay, now, so now friends, before I go ahead and explain you TCS BPS hiring, how the link you will be able to apply, I have one good news for you. So there are 100 plus openings in the top MNCs for any graduate. Salary package 3 to 20 LPA, degree any graduate, postgraduate, working location is pan India, work from home, joining period immediate, apply soon. The link is in description. So this is completely free. You have to upload your resume and start applying to the jobs that matches to your profile. Be aware of fake call. Friends, please do not pay even a single rupees to the recruiter if they ask you money. Okay, so the link is in description. Please do check it out and upload your resume and accordingly apply to the job which matches your profile. Okay, now friends, one by one we will see. So this TCS BPS hiring. Okay, now if we come down here, then you have to register yourself. Okay, so that will take to your next step portal. Once again, TCS BPS hiring is the free hiring. Then you have to click on register now. Then you have to click on business process services. Okay, and then you have to put your email ID. You will be getting the OTP, right? And then you have to put OTP and then you have to proceed, right? Okay, so let us see. So what comes next? I will just try to put the details here. Okay, fine. Okay, so here it is. Let me put, okay, and okay, and fine. And now submit. So once you submit, then other verification like Aadhaar card you have to fill, name you have to fill, date of birth you have to fill, and then again when you will do agree, and then you have to proceed to the next. Okay, so this is how you have to fill the application form, and this is, as I said, this is completely free. Okay, now, so if we'll talk about the paid hiring, okay, but friends, one more thing, how to prepare for this free or paid hiring. So friends, TCS Smart Hiring, the BPS one, okay, so new pattern preparation kit for all stream with the basic concept. So if you're preparing for TCS Smart Hiring, then the course link will be given in description. So you can buy the course and you can start your preparation. If you are looking for TCS NQT crash course, okay, so based on the updated pattern, that also you will be able to get it, the link from the description and all the contents, right? So you can see, so there are a lot of contents are there which will help you to crack both the examination. Okay, now, so friends, when you want to apply for this particular TCS paid NQT, then what you have to do, you have to go and buy now. So once you have to put your password, and then I mean you have to create a login. So basically login. Okay, so let me just see once. Okay, I should receive the OTP. So you have to basically create a login, and then only you will be able to enter. I think the password combination was wrong. So here, fine. Okay, now you can see here. So this particular screen will open. Okay, so all the details will be there, personal details, educational details. Okay, and mode of examination will be in center, so you can select the places. Okay, so Karnataka, okay, so select the state, so like this. So you have to create your profile. Okay, select the state preference, so there is no drop down. So fine. Okay, so I think the website is little slow, so you have to wait. Okay, now, so you have to click on submit. So all this, whatever details are not there, like exam date, so you can select your exam date. And yeah, now it is coming, so I'll just select some random dates. Okay, fine, and then click on submit. Okay, select graduation passing pass out year, so I will select 2023. Okay, so a lot of details has been filled here basically. Okay, then click on submit. Okay, now, so click to pay, activate code. So here what you have to go, proceed to pay, and see, you go for this 599 only. Okay, and then again proceed to pay. So like this, you will be able to pay and then you will be able to apply for it, right? Friends, at least you will be getting a lot of experience. So in my view, you can go for this cognitive test, okay? Write it and then wait for it. At least you will be getting a lot of experience that how this particular exams is happening, what all you have to prepare, where you are lagging, all those things you will be able to know. So hope if you like the video, do subscribe and click on bell icon so that we will be you will be getting all the notification and we will be keep working hard for you. Thank you, take care, and all the very best.